I'll be showing you how to find sponsorship jobs for the RCIP Pathway. This is Rural Community Immigration Pilot that I talked about in detail in this video. So if you have not watched that video, you should check it out. In this video, I'm simply going to be showing you all the provinces that are approved to bring in people through this pathway. So let's get right into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aine. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and while you're here, do not forget to click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, okay? I would really appreciate it. On this channel, I share useful information about immigrations and travels, so if this is the kind of content you like, I hope you stick around. So guys, I'm going to be showing you the website that you can easily go to apply and look for jobs, okay? So here I have immigration.ca/everything you need to know about Rural Community Immigration Pilot, okay? You can see that this is the certified immigration website, so you can be sure that every information I share here is completely legit. It says a new pilot program to attract immigration to small communities in Canada, the Rural Community Immigration Pilot, is going to be rolled out this autumn. Yes, expanding on the Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot, which was the RNIP. RNIP was the previous pilot program that the government released earlier in the year, which recently just ended in June. Now, the new pilot program which I'm talking about in this video is the RCIP, which is Rural Community Immigration Pilot, and this happens to be an upgrade of this particular RNIP program. The major difference between these two programs is that the first one, which was the RNIP, was simply a work visa, but now the government of Canada is saying come and work in our rural areas and we will give you permanent residency in return. And this means that this new pathway allows you to come into Canada as a permanent resident. So let's get right into the video. So here you can see that there are specific communities that this program approves, okay? We have North Bay, Ontario, we have Sudbury, Ontario, Timmins, Ontario, and a lot of other provinces. So what you simply want to do when you get to this website is to look at the specific link in front of the province that you want to check. I would say don't limit yourself to a specific province, okay? You really don't know where your job offer will come from. So as much as possible, try to look through all the provinces available, apply to the ones that you seem to be a good fit for, and let's hope for the best. So I'm going to click on this first one here. So guys, you can see on this page that the information here was from July 4th, which means that this was when the previous pilot program ended, okay? So it's important that you keep yourself up to date with the latest information regarding the new pilot program by coming to check this particular website frequently. Okay, so we're going to go to the next province here. So after clicking on this, we would see information about this old pilot program, which is the RNIP, okay? Now, what you simply want to do is you click on candidates, and you will see all the steps available to apply for this particular program. As you can see, they have stated here that the RNIP program is now closed, which was the old one, and they are no longer accepting applications for the old one. But regardless, you can use this platform to look for potential openings and the kinds of job offers that may be available in the new pilot program. So guys, you can use these platforms to keep yourself updated with the requirements, okay? So for now guys, information on the specific job openings and all of that are not yet live on their website, and that's because the previous pathway program just ended. However, you can come onto this website to see the documentations that are required for application, so you can start putting your documents together. I believe so much in preparing beforehand. You don't want to wait until, they've released it and then there's so much traffic on their website before you start putting up your applications. As much as possible, you want to come to this site, look at all the requirements, the documentation listed, make sure that you have all of them. If you have not written your IELTS, please go ahead to write it. If you haven't written your French exam, if you're a French speaker, please go ahead to write it, and put your CV together, your resume, your cover letter, every other information that you'll be needing to apply. I have made a detailed video on how you can write your resume to fit the Canadian standard, and if you have not seen that video, then you should see that video before you start applying. That video is going to be linked here, and you can just simply click on the link above and you'll be taken right to the video. So guys, you can always trust that I will be here quickly as soon as there is a new update on this RCIP program, and that is why you need to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. You should click the notification bell so that as soon as a new video drops, you will be one of the very first people to see my video. So guys, I hope that the information I've shared here is valuable to you. If you found this valuable, please do not forget to share this video with somebody that you know who will also find value in this video. And until my next video guys, stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.